place of like wanting to do your best, giving your best somehow.
Have you ever had a role where you've really, really had to go extremely deep within your own head to pull out that performance? Or do all your roles come out of like a similar place of just being Kareena Kapoor Khan?
No, I think most people like to feel that because I make a lot of things look easy.
Yeah.
But there are roles that I think I have given a lot to, and in fact, maybe those films haven't been box office successes. Whether it
Dave?
was Lal Singh Chadda, whether it was Heroine, whether it was Tashan. These are films that I loved and enjoyed doing and gave a lot to, a lot of thought. Like Rupa was such a deep character in Lal Singh. Somehow she was dark, but yet like a ray of sunshine. So doing those kind of parts really excite me.
Do you remember a chat we had on your show
Yeah, of course.
about bad girls and bad boys?
Yeah.
I didn't get a chance to expand on that thought, but what I was basically trying to say is that all of us are a little bit grey.
Of course. And those human beings, I think, are
the most interesting to play also.
Yeah.
In terms of the grey people are the most interesting in real life and the most interesting roles.
I
too.
think so, no?
Are you still like the same shade of grey that you were in your 20s? Or are you a different person now? In the 2020s?
I think when I was in my 20s, na, Ranveer, I was a lot more like एक अंदर एक अलग सी एक आग होती है, वो एक अलग सा हवस होता है, एक अलग सी भूख होती है, दैट प्रूव करना है, आई हैव टू बी द बेस्ट, आई वांट टू डू दिस, एक दैट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन द गो, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये फिल्म भी करना है, वो एड भी करना है, ये फिल्म, all of that. But I think now, after having almost reached 25 years of my career, there's a different kind of hunger for a little bit of peace also in the characters that I play, a little bit of more deeper understanding, because as a human being also I've grown, na? And between 20 and 43, if there's no growth as a person, I think there'll be no growth as an actor. And I feel like I have grown as a person.
Recently how?
I mean, motherhood has changed me. Being a wife has changed me. I think एक अलग तरीके की responsibilities आ जाते हैं life में. You're not chasing just that one end point, which when you're in your 20s, you're like, success is everything. Box office hits are everything. My life revolves on the fact that I need to prove myself as a good actor or a star. Now I feel my mind has also expanded. And my husband, my children, my friends have allowed me and helped me grow into, the person I am and hopefully the person I will become.
Is there like a challenge at this stage?
There's a challenge of, how far I can go with mental peace, how far I can stretch myself to be at peace with myself. And that is a constant battle which one has to keep, doing.
Can I add
as
to
a
your
person.
piece a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
So, because you are the sunflower of India, we've
Oh,
got you
God.
something. This is for you.
Wow, thank you. So beautiful.
Yeah.
I love sunflowers. Should I keep it here?
You can keep it next to you, wherever you wish. But this is actually what you are for a lot of India. And I know this is a little gimmicky, but...
No, I think getting flowers is never a gimmick. I think it's so nice.
You like receiving flowers?
Yeah.
We thought long and hard about which ones to give you.
Yeah, sunflower.
There's no flower that I could think of that's as similar to your soul, like how we know Kareena
nice.
Kapoor.
I think that's a lovely compliment for me.
Like, whether it's you in a photo or you on screen, or I remember even like my early memories of seeing Kareena Kapoor, you always like stood out. And that came from a place of like deep internal self-confidence that I understand right now.
Yeah.
So were you acting with self-confidence then, or like was it actually that deep?
I can only act to play my characters. Real life mein, I don't think I can act because I'm that kind of person that anything, it just मेरे face पे दिख जाता है, आंखों में दिख जाता है कि अगर mood खराब है, अगर that I'm upset about something or anything. I'm extra happy. That's why when you see me, it's sometimes I'm like so happy. I'm like all OTT over the top because it comes from that. I just react instantly to people, to things, to that I'm a very reactive person, and I think that has helped me. So self confidence, jo hai, I don't think it can. Confidence is something that you can put on.
It was always there.
You either have it or you don't have it.
I don't remember you being without confidence.
No. In this profession, I think my biggest ammunition and my biggest asset has been my confidence. And that's why I feel that maybe people feel that I have inspired people, or Geet has inspired people, that character so much. Because she was lovable, but एक confidence थी. कि I'll go, I'll run away, I'll get married to that guy, I'll do it. That level of confidence, that level of innocence also, I think that is in me.
Do you get bored of being asked Jab We Met questions? Because see, the topic is very hot on reels and shorts. So if anyone talks about Jab We Met, it blows up on the algorithm.
But it's just amazing because the film released recently and people were sending me videos because I have some of my own friends who went to watch it. People have recited the whole film. Yeah. They're like as though they're reading a book. They're just reading. They were saying the dialogues one after the other, not just mine, but Shahid's, everybody's, every single character. So it's just जो impact होता है लोगों पे. So very few films in a person's career have that.
Very few films in general age that well also.
Yeah.
And like, I think Geet as a character has influenced a lot of people's heads in general. It's a very like sunflower positive character.
Yeah,
also.
somewhere, like 16, 17 years later, you're still giving examples of that. Even though so many films have released. But I feel those love stories, these days, we're missing that, no?
Yeah, I feel the same. I feel the same about the film world in general all over the world. Like I remember growing up seeing a lot of rom-coms. I don't know where all the rom-coms have gone.
I don't know where they've gone.
Where have they gone?
Yeah, where have they gone? Where have all the love stories gone? Where are all those Shah Rukh Kajol moments? Where are those? I also miss those, na?
But what's the internal chatter in the film industry? Where have they gone?
अब तो सब एक्शन देख रहे हैं. Hopefully अब कॉमेडी देखेंगे अगले हफ्ते. So we are trying to bring back different genres, but I think somehow the action films are appealing a lot to the audiences. But I feel the audiences, their tastes change also. They like good films. They are so accepting and loving that the fact is that if you give them something that interests them, give them a good story, be it in any form, I think they just stick to it.
Have you ever wondered about why Jab We Met was this evergreen? Because I'll give you a little Gen Z perspective on Jab We Met.
Yeah, of course. I'd love to know.
There's a lot of green flag and red flag chatter. Like according to everyone, Anshuman was a red flag.
Yeah. Of course, na?
And have you heard of the word situationship?
I mean, I've read like people say that, and
so there's a relationship, and then on the other end of the spectrum, there's like a casual, like a friends with benefits.
Yeah.
This is somewhere in the middle, where you're a friend with benefits with someone where there's also emotional benefits. That becomes a situationship.
So that's where people are connecting, you're saying?
Yeah, I think with time, people are connecting Jab We Met with a lot of stuff that's happening in the 2020s.
Yeah.
Which is why everyone's like, that film was way ahead of its time.
Could be. Yeah, that's true.
What advice would you give Geet now, the character, with everything you've learned about life?
I mean, Geet was somehow... her innocence actually has taken her, and this longevity is because of her. She did everything and thought so much from her heart. कि आजकल लोग दिमाग से सोचते जो करना चाहिए कभी कभी लाइफ में, बट गीत जैसा जो अपने दिल से सोचती है हमेशा, वो आजकल you don't see even in the Gen Z, I feel. So that's how somehow they are connecting, that they also want to be like that, but somehow I feel people are thinking a lot more with their mind in the 2020s.
But people are getting very effed up in the head nowadays. Like it's just an outcome of living in the 2020s with social media and comparison and all that.
Yeah.
That's what I sense is happening a lot.
And Geet was pre-social media.
Yeah. I think
so her innocence was still intact.
Yeah. That's why people are connecting with the characters even more now.
Yeah, I think so, no?
Yeah.
It's scary, but I mean, like, as much as I love it, I love Instagram, and I get to, be in my bed and travel the world. And but it's just, I know how damaging, like, it could be to the mind, and how carried away, people can get with the way everything has to be like picture perfect. Everything has to be like, get ready for the event, be seen at this event, go collect this award, do this. Itna pressure aa gaya hai कि I think we're somewhere in between. We're like also forgetting to, like, live a little bit for ourselves, for our families, for our friends, enjoy the moments. Like every dinner, at least 3 times we have to tell our friends or each other, come on, leave that phone. Chalo phone band karo. So I think it's like we're just caught up in so many things. So I feel we should still bring back that Geet innocence. And that's why people are still like loving that and going to see that film.
Is Geet inside Kareena Kapoor or is Kareena Kapoor inside Geet? Simpler way of asking. that.
Yeah, no?
Is there a Geet inside you? Like, are you that person completely?
Completely. I think I am that
Okay.
person that, because Geet always thought from her heart. And I honestly, Ranveer, in my life, I have taken every decision from my heart. मैंने कभी सोच समझ के नहीं लिया. Otherwise, then you can see my career graph. You can see some people will say that, oh, she said no to this film, that film, this film, that film. And there are so many discussions about that sometimes I'm like, ठीक है ना. हर फिल्म की भी एक किस्मत होती है. मेरे किस्मत में नहीं लिखा था, किसी और की किस्मत में लिखा था. It's fine. But I have always taken my decisions from my heart. That I want to do this. This is what I want to do right now. This is what I don't want to do right now. So that's why I feel somewhere you associate the sunflower girl in me. Because, I'm a bit of that also.
How's life right now?
How's life right now? Exciting. I'm very, very excited for Crew. All female centric kind of film, comedy. Excited to have collaborated with my longtime producers Riya and Ekta. We're an all women kind of army. Tabu, Kriti, all of us. I feel like इतने सारे action films के बीच में एक female heist, Ocean 11's, Ocean's 8 kind of vibe film, comedy, nice if it comes. You've always seen the males do it, but now I think we're ready for the female kind of heist comedy, which I think it is.
Yeah. I think girls have generally gotten very active in content, which is very good. I mean,
Which is very good.
I think we had this discussion that
Yeah.
time as well. There's a lot of female content creators coming up. Lots of girls are expressing themselves more on social media, which is
Very
great.
good, which is great.
Yeah.
And which I think is great for them, for themselves, for their self-confidence, for their mental health. Conversations are on. Women are in the forefront, na? I mean, I think everywhere around the globe. So I'm happy that it's a good time. So I'm very confident again that I feel people will enjoy watching us.
Do you change with every film? Or do you stay the same?
No, I think I should change with every film. No? I mean, in terms of look, I don't know. Size, look, those are all things that don't bother me as much. But I should change. My character should change. The way I perform should change. Things like that should change.
When you went down to size 0, I remember this was like what India was obsessed with at that point.
yeah.
Was there a downside of that didn't come out in the public? Or was that still easy for you? Because what I can tell about you is now, especially after speaking to you, but I
Yeah.
could tell this even then, like you're very deeply ambitious. So like,
Yeah.
in that phase, for sure.
Yeah. No, I'm ambitious. You have read me well. I am ambitious. But I'm not ambitious to the point that I would harm myself, my mental frame of mind. You tend to, na? When ambition is so high in your life that you have nothing else to look forward to. So I'm not like that, but I'm ambitious.
Did you ever harm your like mental health?
No. Size 0 also, I took that time. I took almost a year and a half to get into that look. And it was like a challenge that I said कि एक बार करना है life में कि if this for this action film, because I've never done an action film actually after that also, कि ये करना है life में तो ये करना है.
Would you do it again?
Now I think that we're living in a generation where everything is accepted. And I wouldn't like to say that, okay, this certain body type would be accepted for an action film or this not. I think today everything and everyone can do what they want to do. So I think I'm ready for an action film now also. I don't need to be a size 0.
I have like too many questions. Okay, and I mean, I'm gonna be like very like straightforward here.
Okay.
So normally we shoot in a studio, and the studio has its own energy.
Yeah.
So I'm able to go way deeper into my guest's mind also, and that's
Okay.
usually the theme of this show.
Right.
Because I get to meet people from a lot of industries and get to gauge where people are.
Ah,
So I'm
right.
still trying to get closer
Okay.
to like the real
And then
Kareena.
what will happen? Then you will assess me and will you say something?
I can say so much even now, but we'll hold that for like the end of the podcast. How are you feeling till this point?
I really enjoy talking to you because I think you are also honest. You come across as very honest and come across as somebody who is an interviewer who most people like, I feel, यहाँ पे ना जब interviews करते सवाल पूछते बट जवाब सुनना नहीं है, अगले सवाल पे जाना है कि क्या है. Okay, I've asked her. Achha, so the interviewer is asking the question but not really listening to the interviewee. So I like to talk to people where they would also engage me and actually try to, like you said, kind of understand or get into my mind.
I think an interview na is for the tabloids and the headlines and the clicks.
Haan.
A podcast is for the heart.
Yeah.
So
good.
I'm actually doing it for me.
Then that's very good because that's why I'm happy I'm here.
I would ask you these same questions if you gave me the time at a party or a social function also. So these are just my actual questions.
Yeah, which is good. That's why it's different.
I'd also ask you for gossip.
That I don't have. आपने कहा कि आपके यहाँ तो इतने सारे different, celebrities, guests आते हैं, तो you should know. I am like, मेरी बस ये एक ऐसी reputation बन गई है.
Yeah, why?
I don't
Just.
know. I think just like that, I think I have no time to have also so much information. आजकल तो सब कुछ वैसे Instagram पे आ जाता है.
Where do you get your gossip from?
I think from Instagram these days.
You're active on Insta?
I mean, as active as one can be,
You enjoy it?
I enjoy. I have to say that the journey started slow for me because I was new to it, but now I'm enjoying it. Like, I'm enjoying the fact that, okay, chalo, everybody's posting pictures, chalo, I'll post pictures. But then if I know it's getting too much into my personal space, then I pull back.
Fair.
Then I'm like, no.
That thing you said about social media affecting mental.
Yeah.
Does it affect Kareena Kapoor Khan?
No,
Like,
I mean,
because everyone else would feel a sense of comparison.
yeah.
I don't think there's anyone you'd compare yourself with. There's nothing. People
No.
compare themselves to you.
No, nothing like that. I feel like I would. I even if sometimes there's a thought in my mind, but I'm always like, I don't want to, like, it's okay, and I wouldn't want to compare because I know that there's place for everybody in this.
Have you been competitive earlier in life?
I mean, I think I definitely, in my 20s and 30s, I must have surely been for sure. Because, like I said, that time when you're younger, na, I think वो energy एक अलग level पे चलता है. Your wavelength, you're on a different wavelength in your 20s, 30s. That's why in so many interviews I've also said that I never want to go back to that time. I'm very much at peace now. Now I'm like, if I know that like this is it and like I'm taking like 10, 15 days off from work, I'm confident that I'm going to do this. And this is what I want to do. And then nothing can change my mind, from that. But pehle we never wanted कि नहीं, we don't want a holiday because then ऐसे होता था पहले कि अगर holiday है तो काम नहीं है. You should have 5 films, you should have 10 films. Now it's like,
In your head, you were aiming only for the top always? Like it was always like, I want to climb up the mountain. Was that what was going on in your head?
My mom always told me that if you aim for the stars, you'll end up on the tree. So she was like, apni aim hamesha dur rakhna. As high can be. And then wherever you land, will land.
Okay, another straight question, okay?
Yeah.
This came to peace with things.
हाँ.
I have a lot of friends in the world of acting. Okay. And I have a lot of friends in media in general, but I see this specifically with actors. Actors are usually like the best looking people in any friend group or anywhere they go. But in their heads, they're not good looking.
Okay.
Have you ever had that doubt?
No, I don't. have that.
You always known that you're gorgeous.
I don't want to lie because if I say that, I'm not that girl, so I can't lie.
Have you had any insecurity related to looks?
No, I'm not. I don't think so. I think I get it from my parents. I can't, I don't want to say that, oh, okay, I am, because I'm not that person, so I don't want to.
No, fair.
And if I lie, I guess you'll catch me.
अरे no.
And this show is a podcast, जैसे आपने कहा, तो आपको तो मेरी आंखों से पता चल जाएगा, and then दुनिया को पता चल जाएगा, तो I rather answer straight that I have no qualms at all. I have no doubt in my mind.
You've been in the limelight over so long that people know your character, but there's still parts of you that people don't understand that are hidden.
Yeah.
Which is the art of stardom, according to me, at least. In
Completely.
My eyes. Right?
एक interest create करना, that is also part of stardom.
Which not everyone understands nowadays.
No,
Right?
That doesn't exist anymore. I'm sorry, I'm being honest.
No, it's fine.
That line has completely gone. It's sad.
Do you?
I feel bad
Why do you feel bad?
for this generation because उसमें है नहीं. Because it was a different time, where there was a different reach. And also I just feel like the way I've been extremely honest with my fans, audiences, everyone, as much. And they also respect a lot of my private life, like with the kids or the family or whatever. I also put it a lot on social media, and, we are from a film family, so it'll always be in the limelight. And we do that. But I think that there is a side to them that wo automatically ek hai, that people know that, okay, this is it.
How did Kapoor Khandan blood feel running through your veins in your childhood? There was never I don't think we realized that what, Family.
Yeah, my family, I never really thought, because my parents never really let me feel that. My mother was she came from a very, very middle class family. And my father, my nana, was also an actor. He acted in a lot of films in different roles. So, but we were never really meant to feel like, that we come from this family, or like we didn't even know, because like going to a shoot, the first shoot I went on was like when I was, I think, 8 or 9 years old, at Chintu Uncle's shoot. In Kashmir, he was doing a film with Rekha ji. And we had gone, Ranbir and all of us had gone for that shoot. I think it was Sheshnag, one of the films, I don't remember. And Gulmarg mein shoot ho rahi thi. So it was actually the first time, like I had remembered that I had seen a shoot. Before that, I know that when I was very small, I was at my father's set. He had done a film with Amit Uncle called Pukar. And us film mein I had gone for the shoot, but I was like barely 1 year old or something. So I have no memory that I was ever made to feel. Un dinon mein it was like my grandfather and all, they were also like very like chill, relaxed. Nobody had this ke media ka kuch bawal ho raha hai. Paparazzi ka culture tha. There was never, nobody felt ke, that they were really big stars or superstars. My family was also very passionate. My grandfather was very passionate about art, music, cinema. He would play the harmonium. He would make his songs. We've always heard him sing like that. Never any thought, shoshabazi type ka thing. There was never.
It's an art-oriented family first and foremost.
Yes, because we were always, whether it was Shashi uncle who was into theatre, Shami uncle and my grandfather were very passionate about films, music. So I'm saying that it was never really thought ke, yes, of course, parties and all I'm sure happened, but we were never part of that. And then, of course, my mum moved on, and we were shown a childhood that was very, very basic and simple. My mum used to make me go and drop me to the school bus. My mum still today has no idea of this paparazzi culture, and she's like, I don't understand ये क्या है. Of
Hmm.
course, she's like, you must work. And work when I see you on the silver screen or when I see your film. Then I will tell you how good or bad you are. ये सब नहीं है कि ये सब कि आप ये कर रहे हो वो कर रहे हो. And today they don't even understand that culture कि the paps are running after you. Why are they running after you? Yeah, okay, but ठीक है. But for them it's like acting अच्छी करो.
Yeah.
Picture अच्छी बनाओ.
Your mom's contributed to your personality too much, as is the case with anyone.
Yeah.
Anyone's mom contributes a lot, but I feel with especially career
Yeah.
oriented people, a career so multifaceted
Yeah.
that one of your parents usually plays a very big role in creating mindset. And whatever I've seen about you talking on other interviews,